Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delete a template in Shopify. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course log in into your account, and once you are logged in, you can just simply go ahead and go to online store over here. And once you are on the online store guys, just simply go to the website that you want to delete a template with. So I have here one website. So from here, just click on these three dots over here. And after that, guys, just simply go for edit code over here on the drop down menu. And now, guys, from here on the left side of the screen, you will have here multiple options. So just simply go to the templates. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and select the template that you want to delete. So as you can see, I have here the list collection template that I want to remove. So in order for you to remove this, you can just simply click on this delete icon over here. And as you can see, a pop-up will show up if we are sure that we want to delete this template. So just simply click on delete file, and from there, guys, you'll be able to delete that template. And when we go ahead and go to our website over here, customize, you'll be able to remove a template. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.